is where we are staying. This is our hotel. That's Meldom Hotel. And this is our view every morning. Here, let's go here and I'll walk you through our hotel. Pero hindi tayo papasok because we are waiting for our car. Rahmed. Then our driver arrived. Siya yung in-drive driver namin. So we are on our way to Shimbulak. So like 45 minutes lang yung drive going to Shimbulak. So as you can see, usually yung mga car dito hindi ganun. Actually pag mura yung yung price mo sa in-drive nila dito, medyo hindi maganda or parang old model yung car na masasakyan mo. Pero if you chose yung mataas na rate, mas maganda yung car. So, nagpapatugtog si Kuya ng mga Kazakh music. And he is also dancing. So, ayan, sumasayaw na siya, yung Kuya driver namin. Medyo mataas ang energy niya on the morning. So, ayan, sumasayaw-sayaw na rin kami. So, hindi ko pwedeng ipaano yung music eh. Baka ma-copyright. Pero magaganda yung mga Kazakh music nila. Maganda yung mga beat. So this is our view on our way to Shimbulak. So like 45 minutes lang siya away from our hotel. And dito sa car walang aircon. So they don't use aircon dito sa loob kasi sobrang lamig na sa labas. So this is like parang room temperature lang siya dito sa loob. And good thing, hindi nga siya nagmo-moist. So, ayan. Makikita nyo ang view ng Almaty, Kazakhstan. And we're finally arrived here at Shimbulak. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Actually, sa baba to ng ng Shimbulak area. So, ito yung part ng Mideo. So, yun yung Mideo skating rink. So, this is one of the largest actually sa Asia. Pero, sabi, mas malaki daw yung sa China. Kaya, pangalawa lang siya. So, supposedly, they're aiming to have it on the Guinness na pinakamalaking skating rink sa Asia. Pero, nakuha ng China at this time. And, as you can see naman, sarado siya. Siguro, pinapaganda nila, pinapalaki nila para next time makuha na nila ang corona. Okay. We are walking, going down to the cable car at the Shimbolak. So we're here. Ayan. Huwag na lang ikaw yung nasa video ko. Ako hindi ako nakukuhaan. Okay, so malapit na tayo. We're about to enter the Shimbolak entrance.
Resort mountain or mountain and resort.
And there is an entrance fee. How much? Ayan siya. Oho, oho. So, tatlong station siya. So, yung una is police station. Pangalawa is
Station.
nurse station. At pangatlo ay ang
Doctor station.
Station of the Cross. Okay. Medyo nakakahinga lang siya, girl. Bakit? Nakakahinga lang siya. Like, parang ano. Wait. Outfit check. Outfit check. Okay. Kita niyo yan. Okay, we're here. So, ayun yung nilakad natin. Mahabang nilakad. Sobra. So, di ako magbibigay ng too much information. Mag-search kayo. Ganda niyo naman. Paalala kayo dyan. Okay, so bibili na tayong ticket. Ayan, ticket. Hi.
Hi. Welcome to 2 person for 2.
Yes.
Cash.
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 Ayan. So, syempre titignan ko yung makeup niyo kung maganda. Medyo bala George.
10,000 daw. 20,000. Pinapos ito may 5. 10. Tama.
Shala.
20,000. Tama? Kunin mo, bigyan mo kay Ate Girl.
Ikaw ba magbigay?
10,000.
At naka-contour pa si Mami. Nakita mo ba yung contour ni Mami? Ayun o.
Don't lose your ticket until
Adult seats.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ahmed. at this time, we're about to enter the cable car going to Shimbolak Mountain Resort. So actually, tatlong stations itong cable car. So yung unang cable car namin would take about like mga 15 minutes. And then from then, meron pang mga stops like mga stations na you can go to. So pataas siya ng pataas actually going to the top of the mountain. So the more na mas mataas yung station na pupuntahan nyo, mas malamig. So you better be ready na meron ka talagang mga suot na gloves, like yung jacket, dapat talagang hindi napapasukan ng lamig kasi sobrang lamig, as in. Alright, so ayan, papasok na kami. So medyo may pila lang. So ayan, apatan yan. Apatan, waluhan, apatan, lalarga na. Okay, going to Cubao. Charot. Okay, so actually, pwede namang mag-antay if you really want na kayong dalawa lang, or if you want na masolo nyo yung cable car. But of course, it depends kung may sumabay sa inyo. Pero if you really want to be alone and to be with your someone, kung gusto nyong dalawa lang kayo, then you just have to wait up until wala kayong kasabay. So for us, we chose na walang kasabay, kaya kami dalawa lang yung nakaride dyan sa cable car. So ayan, si ate mag-isa lang siya. So wala siyang jowa. So ito na yung next cable car. So sasakay na kami. Tara! May sasabay din sa likod natin. Bye, girl. Oh no. Oh no.
Vlogger kami. Ako din lang ako sinama ni babe. Hala, magkakot ako. Iba na tayo dito. Hi! Ang takay dito. Central Asia. Hello! Kasi si Mama? Nasa cable car kami. Ha? Saan? Ano siya? Ako naman po na bakit na kami sa bundok. Bakit na kami sa bundok? Dadaraw na siya. Hi! Dada! Hi! Hi, Siyo! Kaya siyang dadaling namin kayo dito sa bundok. Where are you? Punta si Mama. Ma, look oh. Hi, Siyo. Papakit na kami sa bundok. Sige. Dito na lang. Dito na lang namin kayo sa gift. Cable car. Cable car. Babay na. Sige na magbabay na. Bakit na kami? Bye, Water. Bye, Sino. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Salita ka expect.
We're going to Bulak Resort now. Yun yung ganda. Sa first station. Malapit na tayo sa first station.
Bulak Mountain Resort. So ayan, andito na kami sa first station ng Shambulak Mountain Resort. So as you can see, napakalaking area nito. So, yung mountain dyan, napapalibutan siya ng snow, kaya maraming nag-ski. So, yan yung area ng mga nag-ski. So, ayan. So, maraming mga tourist na pumupunta dito actually for them to do the ski. Iski beru pakpak. Boom, 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 boom. Ayan. So, nagpaplano akong mag-try pero parang mahirap siya. Hindi ko carry. At baka naman talaga namang gumawa ako ng mga eksena dyan at mahulog-hulog ako. So, nag-quick biwi break lang kami. And then ngayon, paakyat na uli kami. Going to the Shimbulak First Station. So, we're actually looking for something to eat right now. And ito yung other side nitong first station ng Shimbulak. So as you can see, punong-puno siya talaga ng snow at this time. There. Tayo sa gusto. Gusto. So, we're looking for a restaurant now for us to eat our lunch. Kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So, supposedly dito sa Gusto, pero medyo maaraw siya at we believe na may mas maganda pang view. So, labas kami and we're looking for other restaurant na pwedeng kainan. And I think dito na siya. Ayan. Pero mag-check muna ako ng outfit. Ayan. So, ayan. We're going to eat here. Here daw. Ayan. So, dyan. Sa Big Chefs. So, it's on the upper floor. So, aakyat kami going there. But before that, maglalaro muna ako ng ice. There. So, ayan. Paakyat na kami going to the restaurant to eat our lunch. Dito na lang oh. Dito. Can you? Okay. It's okay. Thank you. May ninaw na dito. Scan mo daw. Scan mo. Scan mo na, girl. So, uwi na tayo.
May Pilipino sa English. May rice din.
Pasta na lang.
Yeah, pasta na lang ako. Gusto ko rin pasta. Salad. Yeah, go na. Check. Model salad dito.
Ah, ano pa?
Parang macaroni. Tama. Ito.
Isa tayo.
Hindi, mag-share na lang tayo. Share, oo.
Okay.
That pasta.
Ano pa iba? Ay, pizza.
Ano pizza ka?
Isang pizza.
Anong flavor? Ano gusto mo dyan?
Yung spinach kineso.
Spinach.
Kineso.
Corn cheese pizza.
Ha? Oh.
Ring.
Ah.
Amina! Amina! 이거 나가 빛이 없다. 예.
Tinawag siya Mima. What about you? Ayaw ko mag-warm water.
Gusto mag-taste coffee.
Dito tatuanin mo siya. Maaraw na. Tawagin mo siya kanina, nag-aabang siya dito eh. Ayan na. Ay.
Pwede I'll order fettuccine pasta. One order fettuccine pasta and then one arrabbiata. Then pizza, spinach and cheese pizza. Do you have water?
We have water. I'll take the big one.
Small. How much is this small?
Small is the half liter.
Half liter. Okay. One.
One.
Juice. How about
Do you have drinks or
Yeah. We have iced tea, we have fresh, we have lemonade, we have soft drinks.
iced tea?
Iced tea tropical or coconut milk?
Which one is good?
do you have
Tropical is good.
Okay.
how much is that?
Rice?
Yeah.
I think 3,000.
Yeah, just one.
Just one.
Tropical.
Yeah, yeah.
What
Small
drink?
water.
Small water, tropical, iced tea, Pedro Arrabbiata, fettuccine alfredo, and the spinach pizza.
Yes, that is correct.
delicious. Yum. Also this one. Paano mag-picture ako?
So we're done eating and we are on our way to the second station. So we're already here at the cable car. And would take mga 10 minutes siguro for another station. So pataas to. So like what I've said, expect na mas malamig. So the more na mas tumataas yung level, mas tumataas yung gravity at yung force at yung temperature, and the evaporation is hindi na pala yan. So yun, so we're going to the second station. See you there. So we are here at the top of the mountain. Oh no. It's so nice. Andito na si Elsa. Where is Elsa? So, ayan, nandito na kami sa third station. Yung pinaka-tuktok ng mountain. So, as you expect, grabe and sobra yung lamig dito. As in like, -8 degrees. So, ayan. Talagang hinihingal kami sa lamig at sobrang kino-cover na namin yung face namin. And yung especially yung mouth kasi ang hirap huminga.
Wala na huminga. Pag nabilis na tayo dito kung dito kung dito dito. Dito dito. Pwede mo pa
We're here at the top of the mountain. At the Shimbulak Ski Resort! Woohoo! So we're here. So I'm stepping on the ice. So cold in here. Malamig pero kakayanin. Dahil ginusto namin ito. At dahil ginusto ko to, mamamatay na kami later sa lamig. Okay. So, dinugo na ho ang ilong niya sa sobrang lamig. At ako, Keshi pa, mami. Keshi pa.
Tuloy na ako dun sa ay.
Dali.
malamig talaga sobra. Ito.
So at this point, I'm just enjoying the view, and I'm just enjoying every moment while I'm here, because you know, we really didn't expect talaga na we will be able to go here, and we are really blessed na nakikita namin yung ganitong klaseng lugar na bihira naming makita, especially wala namang ganito sa Philippines. So ayan, I'm just enjoying the scenery of the ice and ice baby and the ice kineso. So ayan, who would have thought na makakapunta kami dito. So, I'm getting emotional, like, you know, because I'm really happy, like, super happy and super cold. So, try nyo na to visit dito sa Kazakhstan, especially dito sa Almaty, Shimbulak Resort, para ma-feel nyo talaga yung winter wonderland na hindi natin nararanasan. So, ayan, I'm just enjoying the beautiful scenery and cold, super cold, as in like cold talaga, like malaking freezer sa lamig. Kasi naman, nasa tuktok ka ng mountain and at the same time may snow. So what do you expect? So yung ibang nag-ski kasi, of course, meron silang mga sinusuot na na parang pang ski talaga. Kaya dead na sila sa lamig. Pero yung suot namin, meron naman kaming heat tech, warmer sa loob. Pero parang di siya enough. And yung mga gloves, hindi siya enough. Makakatagal ka like mga 1 minute. Pero like pag sobrang tagal, I don't think so. Kaya ayan, papunta na ako sa loob kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya yung lamig. So papa-warm lang. Nalala na sa Mount Everest. So, ayan, nag-coffee break muna kami. So, we went here at Templo. It's a coffee shop sa second station. So, kung gusto nyo medyo mainitan kayo and at the same time, nakikita nyo pa rin yung view sa labas. So, this is the best and recommended na parang coffee shop dito sa second station. So, that is Templo. Ayan. We're here at the above sky level. This is above sky level. The station 2 of Shimbulak. So there it is. For the last time, laro-laro muna kami, nagtambay-tambay dito sa second station kasi bumaba na kami from the third station. So dito kami nag-coffee shop and then ayan, tumambay at naglaro-laro muna. Bago kami bumaba sa first station kasi ang second station is I believe hanggang 5 PM lang. And then yung first station, pababa. Pagbaba nito is only up until 6 PM. So hanggang 6 PM lang yung Shimbulak. So hindi na tayo magpapaabot ng gabi dito kasi malamang pag gumabi pa, mas malala pa yung lamig for sure. So ayan, enjoying lang and laro-laro lang. Oh, muntik pa mahulog si Tanga. Hi! So, laro-laro lang muna kami ng snow for the last time. Ayan, talaga namang kahit lamig na pinupush pa din. Okay, going down. Bye! Alright, so quick story lang. So pagbaba namin dito sa first station, nagpa-picture kami dito sa baba ng with costume, and then yung may agila, yung may eagle na picture. So merong silang ina-offer na printed photos and then yung mga soft copy. So actually yung price naming dalawa is 5,000 tenge, and then they offered us na ibigay yung lahat ng soft copy for another 15,000 tenge. So yung 5,000 that includes the printed copy. So we're waiting here outside sa gilid yung para ibigay nila yung printed copy. Pero nung kinuha na namin yung printed copy, since pasara na sila, so they offered us na 5,000 tenge na lang daw yung all soft copy. So they will send the soft copy daw through WhatsApp. So ayun, so ganun pala dapat. So dapat di mo na kayo mag-agree for the amount, kasi later on, since masara na sila, they will offer you the discounted price. So we'll post it here, the pictures.